Hey everyone, welcome to RAWatCraft. My name is Aarti and today we are here to do something really special for the occasion of Diwali. So today we'll be making Happy Diwali with the texture art. So for that I will quickly tell you the materials and then we'll just start. So firstly you'll be needing 2 pieces of cardboard. 2 पीसेस आपको कार्डबोर्ड के चाहिए. उसके साथ आपको चाहिए सम फेविकॉल. उसके बाद मैंने यहाँ पे टेक्सचर बनाने के लिए लिया है पीओपी. ठीक है, तो यू कैन टेक पीओपी फॉर दैट. And POP is easily available in the market, and then we need water. With that you'll be needing some watercolors, and if you have acrylic colors then you can use them too. 1 spoon or something will be needed for mixing these. Okay, so this is the one. Now I will shift my camera towards my work area and we'll just start. So here I'm having this POP. It's about 4 to 5 spoons, and now I'll be mixing some Fevicol in it, and then we'll add some water for making the texture. Okay, so currently I'm adding some Fevicol. Okay, so here I go. I have taken this much of Fevicol. Now I will add some water into it. You need to add water very slowly, not at a time. So after that you need to mix this paste. So now this is something which the texture looks like. Okay, not too thick and not too light. So this is the texture, and now what we have to do, we have to apply it on this cardboard. Okay, in place of cardboard, if you have wood cuttings then you can also take them. Now I'm applying it very roughly on this cardboard. Okay, so that it can give, I don't want a very smooth texture, so I'm applying it very roughly. बहुत रफ तरीके से मैं इसे लगा रही हूँ, मुझे एकदम स्मूथ टेक्सचर नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि. ओके, सो लाइक दिस.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying.
And now we are done with this texture. Okay, so now we'll let it dry for some time. So now when it is half dry, then you need to do one hole over here at the corner and one at the another one, so that we can join both of them. Okay, so like I'm doing one hole over here. Okay, so now I have 2 holes and I can thread it up to tie them together. So now we will wait them to dry properly. So now we are coloring this, and I'm using this red color for the coloring portion. Okay, red and white, 2 colors I'm using. Very roughly I'm doing this so that it can give a double shaded effect. These are the acrylic colors. You can also use watercolors for the same purpose. I'm mixing a bit of water because They are thick.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me.
So it will somehow looks like this. Okay, this. So now here I have done these two pieces. Texture is done on these pieces. I think these are clearly visible to you. And now what we'll be doing is, you already know how to make this paste, so you need to make a little bit of paste here. Okay, and then we'll take a polythene. You can take any type of polythene. I'll just cut a smaller part of it. Okay, so here I got this. A square sheet you can take, square polythene. Okay, now what we have to do, we need to wrap it like this. We have to make a cone out of it, like we used to make for mehendi. So like that type of cone we have to make. I have just wrapped it around, and now here I will just put a tape. Okay, so I'm taking the sellotape here, and now I will just put the tape over here like this. So now it is pasted. Okay, so this something like this you will get. Now this texture which I have made, you need to, this is a bit thicker, you need to put this texture inside this cone. Okay, so I'm taking this and I'm putting it inside. This way. Now I will just close it from here. For closing it, I will use some more sellotape. Like this. Okay, so now you know how to make this. So now with the help of this, I will write Happy Diwali over here. Okay, so you need to hold it like this.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Now if you want, you can put some stones over here with the help of Fevicol. on the sides. Basically these mirrors I have, so I'm pasting these.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London.
So this is the final one, like this you can make, okay, and you can do one hole over here so that you can hang it on your wall or on your door, anywhere you want to. You can change the color patterns according to you. If you didn't like this color, then you can maybe choose some green or blue darker ones, and then you can write it over here with this white shade. Okay, so this was the final video, and I hope you really must have liked it. And if you do, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and do comment below your feedback. Thank you so much. We'll come soon with some more videos. Thank you.